Now, let's talk about how to take MSM capsules. You should take this product by mouth as directed, and make sure to follow all directions on the product package. If you have any questions, it's always a good idea to ask your doctor or pharmacist for guidance. If your condition lasts or gets worse, or if you think you may have a serious medical problem, it's important to seek medical help right away. And remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new medication. If you experience upset stomach, headache, or worsened allergy symptoms, it's important to speak with your doctor or pharmacist. While serious allergic reactions to this product are rare, seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. It's important to note that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you experience any other effects, contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you're in the US, you can report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking MSM capsule, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have. The product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions or other issues. If you are diabetic, have alcohol dependence, or liver disease, be cautious with liquid MSM products that may contain sugar and/or alcohol. It's best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist before using this product. For pregnant women, it is important to use MSM capsule only when necessary. Discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor before using it. If you are breastfeeding, consult your doctor before taking MSM capsule as it is unclear if the medication passes into breast milk. When taking MSM capsules, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist to ensure your safety. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your medication routine. If someone has taken too much MSM capsule and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. In the United States, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center for assistance. Make sure to keep all of your scheduled medical and lab appointments. This will help your healthcare provider monitor your progress and make any necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. It's important to stay on top of your appointments to ensure you're getting the most out of your MSM capsules. If you forget to take a dose of MSM capsule, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one. Take the next dose at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Be sure to check the storage instructions on the package and ask your pharmacist if you have any questions. Keep all medications and herbal products out of reach of children and pets. Do not dispose of medications by flushing them down the toilet or pouring them down the drain unless instructed to do so. Properly dispose of this product and it is expired or no longer needed. Consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.